Hello everyone and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Are you tired of relying on medications for your health issues? Looking for a natural and easy way to improve your overall health and well-being? Have you tried turmeric water yet? Discover the benefits of this spice and try out some of our delicious and easy turmeric water recipes. Turmeric water has gained popularity in recent years as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues. Turmeric is a spice that has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, and its active ingredient, curcumin, has been found to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Here are the top 13 recipes and benefits of turmeric water. Recipe 1. Turmeric water with lemon. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, half lemon juiced, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder and lemon juice to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 2. Turmeric water with ginger and honey. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ inch ginger root, grated, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder, grated ginger, and honey to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 3. Turmeric water with cinnamon and honey. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, and honey to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 4. Turmeric water with apple cider vinegar. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder and apple cider vinegar to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 5. Turmeric water with black pepper. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder and black pepper to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 6. Turmeric water with mint and lime. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 to 5 mint leaves, crushed, half lime juiced, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder, crushed mint leaves, and lime juice to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 7. Turmeric water with aloe vera. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder and aloe vera gel to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 8. Turmeric water with lemon and ginger. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ inch piece of ginger, grated or thinly sliced, half lemon, juiced, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder, grated or thinly sliced ginger, and lemon juice to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 9. Turmeric water with orange and cinnamon. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, half orange, juiced, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder, orange juice, and cinnamon powder to the water. Stir well and drink. Recipe 10. Turmeric water with green tea and honey. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 green tea bag, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: steep the green tea bag in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag and add turmeric powder and honey to the tea. Stir well and drink. Recipe 11. Turmeric water with beetroot juice. Ingredients: half teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup beetroot juice, half cup water. Instructions: combine turmeric powder, beetroot juice, and water in a glass. Stir well and drink. Recipe 12. Turmeric water with green tea. Ingredients: half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 green tea bag, 1 cup hot water. Instructions: steep green tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag and add turmeric powder to the tea. Stir well and drink. Recipe 13. Turmeric water with coconut milk. Ingredients: half teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup coconut milk, half cup water. Instructions: combine turmeric powder, coconut milk, and water in a saucepan. Heat over medium heat until the mixture comes to a simmer. Stir well and serve. Recipe 14. Turmeric water with cardamom and honey. Ingredients: half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup warm water. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Add turmeric powder, cardamom powder, and honey to the water. Stir well and drink. All of these recipes are quick and easy to make, and they all provide the same health benefits as turmeric water. Experiment with different ingredients to find the recipe that works best for you. Benefits of turmeric water. Before we get into benefits of turmeric water, click the link in the description to discover the world's only crystal water bottles created to recharge water so that it can help support healthy weight loss. Click the link in the description to discover how drinking 2 to 3 liters of water from these slim crystal bottles each day is a great way to support healthy weight loss, maintain healthy digestion and high energy levels, and can support your health and long-term youthfulness amongst many benefits. Now, let's get straight into the benefits of turmeric water. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it a natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and other inflammatory conditions. Boosts immunity. Turmeric has been found to boost the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells. This makes it helpful in fighting off infections and illnesses. Digestive aid. Turmeric water can help improve digestion by stimulating the production of bile in the liver. This helps the body break down fats and aids in the absorption of nutrients. Anti-cancer properties. Curcumin has been found to have anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells. Skin health. Turmeric has been found to have benefits for the skin by reducing inflammation, improving skin elasticity, and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Brain health. Curcumin has been found to have benefits for the brain by improving memory, reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease, and reducing the symptoms of depression. Weight loss aid. Turmeric has been found to aid in weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing inflammation in the body. Antioxidant properties. Turmeric has been found to have antioxidant properties, which help the body fight against free radicals that can damage cells and cause disease. Cardiovascular health. Curcumin has been found to have benefits for cardiovascular health by improving blood flow, reducing inflammation, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Turmeric has been found to have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which make it helpful in fighting off infections and illnesses. In conclusion, turmeric water is a natural and easy way to incorporate the health benefits of turmeric into your daily routine. Whether you choose to add lemon or ginger to your turmeric water, the anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, digestive aid, anti-cancer, skin health, brain health, weight loss aid, antioxidant, cardiovascular health, antibacterial, and antiviral properties make it a must-try for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date. Until next time, sweet dreams and happy pampering.